In this video, I will show you how to optimize NVidia Control Panel settings for the highest performance from your PC. Let's go for settings. Image scaling, I will not change. Ambient occlusion, set this to performance. Anisotropic filtering, set it highest. Anti-aliasing, FXA, turn this off. Anti-aliasing, gamma correction, turn this on. Anti-aliasing, mode, set this to application controlled. Anti-aliasing, transparency, turn this off. Background application max frame rate, turn this off. CUDA, GPUs, set this to all. Low latency mode, turn this on and make it ultra. OpenGL GDI compatibility, set it prefer performance. OpenGL rendering GPU, pick your GPU from the drop-down menu and select it. Power management mode, select prefer maximum performance. Shader cache, set it unlimited. Texture filtering, anisotropic sample optimization, turn this on. Texture filtering, negative load bias, set this to allow. Texture filtering, quality, set this to high performance. Texture filtering, trilinear optimization, turn this on. Threaded optimization, set this to auto. Triple buffering, turn this off. Vertical sync, turn this off. Done. Now check your GPU performance. I hope you will get the best result. Thanks for watching this video.